Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. Today I share with you this simple and yet delicious Ghana authentic palm nut soup recipe with you all. Very easy to put together, and at the end you are definitely going to love it. So if today being your first time on this channel, hello, this is Cooking with Efia. Please do what to subscribe to my channel and be part of this beautiful family. Let's dive right into the video. So to begin with, I will start by heating up my palm fruit, turkey berries and pepper, which I was having it in the freezer, so it's a little bit cold. I will heat it up for about 10 to 15 minutes, and afterwards I will start to pound it. Remember, I have already cooked this, so all that is left is for me to heat it up for about 10 to 15 minutes and it should be okay. So while that is going on, I will start by steaming my proteins, and for proteins of choice, I'll be going in with some fresh cow meat. I will also be using some cottage. You know, cottage is a little bit hard, so I've already pre-cooked it. Okay, moving forward, I'll go in with some salted pork and beef. I'll go in with some cow skin, and also to seasoning this meat, I'll go in with some chopped onions, garlic, ginger and fennel seed. Moving forward, I'll also go in with some tomato paste. Use any seasoning or protein of your choice. I'll also go in with some salt to taste, and also enough water to cook the meat very well. Remember, I'm using hard protein, so you need to go in with a lot of water to help cook the meat very fast. Alright, so after extra 10 to 15 minutes, this is how it looks right now. I'll give it a good mix. Make sure to stir very well, and at this point, as you can see, the stock on the meat is still not thick, so I'll give it a good mix. Cover it again for about 10 to 15 minutes for the stock to take in some beautifully. Alright, so whilst that is going on, let me also use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you for always liking my videos, sharing and commenting on my videos, fam. I am very grateful. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so at this point, the stock on the meat has taken up very well, so I'll go in with my palm fruit juice, which I've extracted it off camera. Alright, so if you want a very detailed recipe on how to make palm nut soup, I'll leave the video link in the description box for you to check it out. Next, I'll also go in with my smoked or dry fish. For the fish as well, you can go in with any smoked fish or dry fish of your choice. Everything in this pot is totally to your taste. I will also go in with some Eden fruit or Prekese, and also some garden eggs to give the soup more taste and flavor. For the garden eggs, you can omit it if you don't want to, but if you haven't tried this combo, then you are missing out a whole lot of goodies. Trust me on this one. So I'll give it a good mix. At this point, you can taste for salt. If the salt is not enough, make sure to go in with extra salt to your taste. All right, stir very well, cover it and allow it to cook until oil settles on top beautifully. And at this point, it is about 30 to 40 minutes of cooking it, and as you can see, the oil is coming together very well. So I'll give it a good mix, and also be gentle with the stirring because we have salt fish in it, so that it doesn't break or fall apart. All right, now afterwards, you just have to cover it and allow it to simmer down on low heat for about extra 30 to 40 minutes, and afterwards, this is how the soup looks like. Very presentable and very mouth-watering, just the way you've seen it on your screens right now. The soup is all done and ready. Fam, let me know in the comment section what you think about this authentic Ghana palm nut soup recipe. I hope you're going to give this recipe a try, and I will be waiting for you in the comment section to read all your beautiful comments down below. Also, let me know in the comment section what you're going to pair with this delicious and mouth-watering palm nut soup recipe. I enjoyed mine with some fufu. You can also enjoy yours with rice ball, banku, just name it. It goes well with everything. So now let's serve ourselves and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point, and if you enjoyed to this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. Do well to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget as well to give this video a like, comment down below, and please do well to share this video to reach wider audience. Thank you so much, and God bless you all. Bye.